You can't find it. Do you want Mama to help?
Yeah.
Hey, Aaron, will you show us the tricks you can do with the bell? That wasn't what I had in mind, but that works. Do you got the bell around your waist? Gotta get the monkey face in front. Monkey face goes in front. Or not. Oh, fancy.
No. Jingle.
Jingle?
Jingle. What's that?
Are you singing the Jingle Bell Yeehaw remix?
Cowboy.
Yeehaw, cowboy.
Cowboy. Mount. Fell.
Fell?
Fell.
Don't throw it. You go throw it? Don't throw it.
Foot. Ground.
You want to throw it on the ground?
Yeah.
Well, you can throw it on the ground gently, yeah. Yeah.
I did it.
You get it. Whoa. Hey, that was too hard.
And more.
Aaron, can you come show how you spin? How you spin the bell? What, baby?
This Aaron.
There's the baby, Aaron. There's Aaron in the camera. You're doing it.
I don't remember.
Yeah. Oops. Aaron, you coming back?
Yeah, I'm coming back.
Is that a lasso?
Yeah.
Yeah? You see yourself doing it?
I do it.
Yeah.
Ow. Ow. Oops.
Oops.
More.
Oh, it's going to run out of battery in a minute.
Did.
Whoa. Whoa. There's Aaron. Don't turn it. If you turn it, it'll go away.
Go away.
Yeah.
Ow.
Oh, do you hurt?